Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. I would love to see if you consider to subscribe my channel. It's a rain again as the monsoon season is going in our region, subcontinent. That is why it's raining again and again. About 2 hours ago, this road was dry and dust was flying everywhere. But now you can see it is drowned in storm water. It's again difficulties for traffic and pedestrians to walk through this road. Unclogging has already been done. Now the storm water is going into the drain. OMG, this is a big whirlpool. You can see this is the point from where the storm water is entering into the drain. This is huge. You can see it. It's a huge whirlpool. A little boy's shoes is also zigzagging in this whirlpool. It is rare to see this kind of big whirlpool around in my area, but today we have observed and you are also watching a big whirlpool. I am noticing that the people who are going through this road, they slow their vehicles to see this whirlpool. About 1 year before, there wasn't any system or drainage system to remove this storm water. Whenever it was raining, after the rain, about 24 hours, the storm water accumulated at this road, and it was very difficult to remove this storm water. But now we have constructed uh, a wet well and install two number of pumps. One is having 4Q6 and other one is 2Q6. In my next video, I will also show you that structure that we have constructed to remove this storm water from this road. It seems like the waves are coming from around and transmitting in this drain, this manhole. The quantity of this storm water is decreasing sharply. As you can see, road is clearing. It will be clear within no time because the speed of storm water is very high. This is the most depression point of this area. Therefore, the rainy water, storm water accumulate at this road from all the surroundings. The roads which are in surroundings mostly are clear. There is no rainy water because their NSL is quite higher than this road, and there are no accumulate at this road. It's a third rain in this going week. The intensity of rain was quite high, but the duration wasn't very long. Here we go. The road is clear. Now the last pondings are clearing. You can see. Now you can enjoy a great waterfall. It's good to see. Now there is no more hurdle for traffic and pedestrians. They can walk through or drive through easily. Now the road is clear from stormwater. That's all clear. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video.